What up, YouTube? It's Dave.
This is the Stevens Savage Model 320 20-gauge pump shotgun, manufactured for Wal-Mart by Sun City Manufacturing from the People's Republic of China. Chambered in 2 3/4 inch to 3-inch shells. It's about $180 out the door. As you can see, the weapon has been cleared. This shotgun has a matte black or parkerized finish on the barrel and the magazine tube, a ventilated rib with a bead sight. The receiver is also a matte black finish. It's not blued, so it's not going to show rust from fingerprints as easily, but it's not parkerized like the barrel and the magazine tube. Just a basic 20-gauge pump model shotgun. Safety is on the trigger group where it's supposed to be. The slide release also located on the trigger group. A standard 5-round magazine tube with 1 in the chamber gives you a total of 6 with your standard 2 3/4 inch shells. It's bottom feed, side eject. This is a youth model shotgun. Above, for comparison, you will see a full-size adult shotgun stock from a Mossberg. It also comes with the interchangeable choke tubes. Although it does not come with extras, they appear to be the same as the Mossberg. To remove the barrel, there's a magazine tube retaining nut. With the bolt open, simply remove the nut, and the barrel will pull straight out. To further break down the weapon, there's a push pin that goes through the receiver and the trigger assembly. Using a punch, gently tap the pin through the receiver. Remove the pin, pull out your trigger assembly. Then to remove the bolt, just slide the forearm all the way forward. Another item that I'd like to point out is the locking lug bolt. To further disassemble, put your thumb on the firing pin, push it in just a little bit, take the tension off the firing pin and lift from the front and then bring it back. And now your bolt assembly is removed. Firing pin comes out, firing pin spring, and your bolt is still in the bolt carrier. I'm not going to do this on camera, but to further break this down, the bolt will come out of the bolt carrier by removing this pin, which is spring loaded and is a pain in the ass to put back together, so I'm not going to do it for this video. To reassemble, just reverse order. However, there is a spring in here. You may have to move one way or the other to line up with your bolt assembly so that it will come in nice and smooth. Weapon reassembled. Weapon is clear. Function check. We're good to go. So for a budget home defense shotgun, the Stevens Savage Model 320 from Wal-Mart